Hello there, my name is Ollie from Range Rover. Today I have for you the 2022 Citroen Berlingo. This here is the long wheelbase model. It does come to you with 3 cloth line seats, 7,500 miles on the clock, 6-speed manual transmission, air conditioning, cruise control, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, and also parking sensors, as well as radio and also Bluetooth connectivity inside as well. And just to show you the load area in the back, as you can see, it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and there are some cargo rings just about to tie down any load you may want to carry as well. There is also a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, which I will just show you again from the rear. And if you would like to find out more about this van, then please feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link for that is in the description below. Or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover this and many, many more of our vans. Small ones, big ones, in between ones, you know. A bit of everything. Talk to our salesman about it, and you never know, one day this vehicle could be working for you.